YouTube. I thought we'd give you an update on our Ultima ZT1 by Cub Cadet. We bought this in, I want to say, May or so of 2020. We used it for the 2020 season, 2021, and we're starting in 2022. It has run really well. A couple things I'd like to point out. One is we need to adjust the drive handles, as far as, each handle controls one of the motors on the wheel. And when you push the left one forward and you push the right one forward, the left one drives a little bit faster. That's more of an adjustment, which we're going to take care of as well. So that shouldn't be an issue. The battery, we keep it on a battery tender when it's not being used. Even with the battery tender, the battery is not really holding a charge. It needs a little help to start, even though we, have kept it charging over the winter and when we're not in use. So that's a little disappointing. I think the battery's actually dated April 20, so you think you'd get a little more than 2 years out of a battery. So that was a little disappointing. Other than the machine itself, like I said, runs well. It's got 110 hours on it. No real issues. Paint's held up on the machine itself very well. Mentioned we changed the oil a couple times, changed the filters. Really starts, runs fine, as long as the battery has a little bit of help. Now, one of the problems we noticed is that here's your mower deck. Now the mower deck, for being 2 years old, heading into its third season, you wouldn't think that it would be rusting out, and it is. So we're going to fix that. We're going to grind that down, we'll repaint it. It's rusting there. The paint blew off right there. Other than that, the mower deck is, serviceable. It does what it's supposed to do. It cuts grass. A little bit of loss there, a little bit of loss there, a little bit of lost paint over there. Underneath, you can see it's held up relatively well. If you check your spindles, there's a little bit of play, not much in that one. This one's tight. A little bit of play in that one. Once you start getting a lot of play in them, then you got to put new spindles on. So again, that was a little disappointing that you'd feel any play whatsoever with only 110 hours on the machine. And it's less than 3 years old. You really don't have anything bad to say about the machine other than the mower deck, the battery, and just some minor adjustments, which is kind of maintenance type stuff. Cuts great. Keep the blade sharp. You're not going to have any issues. You saw some of our other videos on it. Takes hills well. Machine's pretty quick. It cuts really well. Hope you liked the video. Just wanted to give you a quick update. And if you like the video, okay, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. We really appreciate it. We're trying to get the channel going. We'll have some more videos posted if time allows us to do it. That's the hardest problem, trying to find the time. So thanks a lot for watching, and we'll catch you next time.